Let's get to the point. Masarap ang pizza ng Mikoy's stall inside LCC Mall in Masbate City. But I found their sibling brand Kuya Boy Halo Halo in the same stall, functional but not magical in taste. Meaning okay naman pero hindi wow. Pero wow sa bait and galing ang staff nila. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for my whole order. The small pizza is buy one get one for 218 pesos. Nagulat ako kasi akala ko 218 pesos for a small one. Kasi sa Manila, baka ganito ang presyo for one small lang. So I tried two flavors. Number one, their best-selling garlic cheese pizza. It was delicious. The cheese though was on the sweeter side, pero most pizza naman sa Philippines talaga on the sweeter side. Pero one bite overall, positively memorable ang combination and choices nila of garlic and cheese. Number two, the Hawaiian pizza. It was the usual but delicious. I like the crust ng dalawang pizza. Both had enough crispiness yet still soft to the bite. The Kuya Boy Halo Halo, sayang, I really wanted to try their Buko Pandan Halo Halo, pero after several visits, laging out of stock. So I tried their classic Halo Halo for 140 pesos. I found the flavor overall too quiet and may tendency talaga ang maraming halo-halo brands and not just them to lack contrast. Meaning, I suggest sana may iba-ibang flavors and hindi puro sweet sa loob. And sana maraming different kinds of crunchy ingredients, hindi yung mostly soft lahat sa loob. Pero overall, I would come back again and again for the very memorable Mikoy's pizza. Click follow for the next story.